We might come across an issue where two different classes may have functions with the same name. So in such a scenario, we can call a specific function by defining the base class. Let's look at an example. I'll define a class mammal with a private variable string print statement equals mammals can give direct birth. And I'll also define a public function void print me of cout print statement and end line. So that's the class mammal, and I'm going to define another class very similar to class mammal. It's going to be class winged animal, and it's going to have a different print statement. Winged animal can flap, and it will also has the same function, print me, to print out that statement. And I'm going to create a derived class bat that inherits from public mammal and public winged animal. Now this class is going to have also its own print statement, a new animal, and also the same print function with the same name as the other classes that it inherited from. So both base class and the derived class all have the same print functions. Now if I wanted to, what I can do first is define an object be bat. So bat from the class bat, and I can call the print function from mammal by using the semicolon, double semicolon expression to resolve the scope. So to define where this print function, which print me function should actually be called. It's the one from mammal, from the base class mammal, that is inherited by the object or the class bat. If we run that, we can see that it's printing the statement defined in mammal. Mammals can give direct birth. We can also call the print function from the base class winged animal by changing mammal to winged animal, and then colon the print me function, and it will print the function winged animal can flap. Now let's see what happens if I call the print me function directly. If I do that, it's going to call the print function that was in the derived class. So that means this print me function overrode the base function. So call this function overriding. So this function overrode what was defined in the base classes.